Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Cubelelo Elite M Weipo. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. Let's get straight into it. The story behind this is basically you guys know that I find Cubelelo Elite M Cube's magnets too weak, but I requested for stronger magnets in this one, so let's see if the magnets are the strength I like. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. Oops, nice. I got a band and the box seems to have collapsed. How do I get into this? Here are some what, there are no magnets in here. So anyways, let's move that off to the side, and here is the Weipo. Oh, here are the magnets. They fell right off, and there goes another magnet. How do I take this out? Oh my god, the tensions are extremely tight. I can feel it already. Anyways, first turns. The magnet strength is pretty decent, I would say. Here, there goes the magnets. The magnet strength is pretty decent, I would say. It's not like extremely strong, but it's not as weak as other Elite Cubes. Out of the box, this feels pretty fast. I think I might want to loosen this a bit because it's extremely tight. But overall, this cube is pretty nice. I did loosen this cube just now, and now it actually turns a lot better than it did. It's very smooth, fast, and flows very nicely. Let's go ahead and do a quick solve. Okay. Yeah, that was a pretty decent solve. I'm pretty good at 2x2, I guess. I averaged like 3.5. So yeah, that's about it for my first impressions on the Cubelelo Elite M Weipo. So for my first impression, I would give this cube a 9 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing on the Cubelelo Elite M Weipo. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.